All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff on cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to be talking about the token Helium token. The token, the price is going up about 13 or 12 or 13%. We're going to talk about that. What is the Helium token used for? The Helium network. I know there's mining going on with Helium. People actually have miners, bobcats, and all kinds of different things. So we're going to cover the miners. We're going to cover the token. We're going to cover it being up. We're going to cover all kinds of things about Helium token cryptocurrency. So definitely buckle up because this is going to be a good one. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal here is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, how to buy it, how to educate yourself, how to track it, all kinds of different things. This is a bonus video. We're bringing you this bonus one. We have a video Monday through Friday that comes out at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. On the weekends, it's around 3 or 4 o'clock. And every once in a while, we'll bring you a bonus video. This is one of these bonus videos. So with that, let's go ahead and head over to Helium. All right, over here at Coin Market, Helium token is the 58th cryptocurrency on the planet. It's actually up 13% right now in the last 7 days. In the last 24 hours, this token is actually up about 3%. So real nice 3% in the last 24 hours, 13% in the last week. This token is at $25.47. Just a few months ago, I remember this token being around $15. So what's going on with Helium token? It looks like it's up right now. Well, in the last 24 hours, over here to the right, it's up 2.75%. The token itself is being traded at $25.44. There's a circulation right here is at 45%. With 100 million HNTs in circulation, that's 45%. The max supply is 223 million. So not even half of the circulation is in circulation right now. That's really, really good. Take a look at the chart here. Helium was down before. Price was around $22, and it's been going up here. So the token right now is over $25.49. That's really, really good. What is this Helium? Well, recap right here. What is Helium HNT? Helium is a decentralized blockchain powered network for the Internet of Things, devices. It was launched in July of 2019. The Helium mainnet allows low powered wireless devices to communicate with each other and send data across a network of nodes. The nodes come from a form or so-called hotspot, which are combinations of wireless gateways and blockchain mining devices. Users who operate nodes thus mine and earn rewards in Helium. Cryptocurrency tokens, HNT. Helium's goal is to prepare IoT, again, which is the Internet of Things, communication for the future. You can mine with the Helium network, mine crypto with radio. The People's Network is powered by an entirely new incentive model made possible by the Helium blockchain. Here's a couple of the devices. You see the Nebra, you see the Bobcat. You see the rack. There's all kinds of stuff right here. A new kind of crypto miner. Mining HNT is done by installing a simple device on your office window. That is seriously. Hotspot provides miles of wireless network coverage for millions of devices around using Helium long FI. And you are rewarded in HNT for doing this. And because of the innovative proof of work model, we call it proof of coverage, your hotspot only uses 5W of energy, 5 watts of energy. A world of hotspots. Since the approval of HIP-19, third-party manufacturers and vendors looking to produce and supply hotspots that mine HNT can seek. So here's a couple. Bobcat you can get to mine the Helium, CalChip, just to name a few, Nebra. So I kind of wanted to go to a couple of their websites. So right here at the Rack website, you can see this Rack Hotspot Miner V2. It earns Helium tokens. So you kind of take a look at the pictures. Obviously what you would do is you would plug this in with the Ethernet cable. We actually have a Bobcat ourselves, so we do have a Bobcat. We're going to go to the Bobcat website here in a little bit. So Rack, a hotspot. It did take about 3 months for it to come in. Checking out the Bobcat Miner 300, the People's Network. Order now. So neat little machine. It's got an antenna. You may want to upgrade your antenna once you get it. It takes 3 to 4 months for these things to come in. The product features are 6 features to earn more HNT. It's a 64 GB storage, built-in 64, which is kind of cool. It's very low powered, as little as a 5-watt light bulb, which consumes 0.12 electricity per day. The OTA update supports over-the-air updates, remotely charges the miner located in settings, or without having to send it back to the manufacturer. So here at the bottom here, it says Helium. We are excited to have the Bobcat as a major supplier of the third-party HNT miner to drive the growth of the People's Network. The Bobcat is created for you to earn more HNT. Bobcat Miner 300 is a highly effective miner hotspot for HNT. It's compatible with the Helium Long Fi. So we have this. The Helium miner is making us anywhere from. It depends. We actually have 3 of them. So, sometimes they make $3 a day. Sometimes they make $5 a day. Sometimes $8 a day. Then there's funny times it's only 16 cents a day. But definitely we're totally happy so far with the Helium miner. I love the concept that it's a radio signal and it's helping basically to create another network. So that's kind of interesting. The token, when we actually decided to get a couple of the Helium miners, it was around $14 to $16 for the coin. Coin right now is over $25, so the Helium token is a lot more money right now. Over here again at the website, the new wireless economy, the People's Network created an entirely new wireless economy that flips the traditional telecom model of building wireless structures on its head. Using a burn and mint token model, the People's Network utilizes 2 units of exchange, HNT and data credits. Coin Market Cap or CoinGecko, you can go check those out. HNT. HNT is a cryptocurrency earned when the hotspot provides a validate wireless coverage and transfers data, device data over the network. Data credit. Data credits are used by the device to send data on the network and a blockchain transaction fee. Data credits are created by burning HNT and are non-exchangeable and tend to a single user. So awesome kind of stuff going on with Helium. Also right here, just this came out, a day or 2 ago. Helium partnered with Dish Network to expand its crypto-based distribution 5G platform. Helium announces a new partnership with Dish Network, which will further extend a 5G network in exchange for HNT rewards. So isn't that crazy here? Helium is partnering with Dish Network. The ultimate goal for cryptocurrency project is to achieve widespread adoption by offering the use of the case of the offer real-world value that can be applied in every home across the globe. Thank you for the users-run wireless network, Helium, a 5G Internet of Things focused project, made a significant stride towards greater adoption as it reveals a new partnership with, take a look at this, Dish Network. Take a look at that, everybody. Dish Network, everybody's heard of them in October. So, a lot of big things are going to come here with Helium. Today, we take another huge step for Helium 5G with the announcement of a new partnership between Dish and Helium. Dish is the first major carrier to join the People's Network, expanding the coverage with customers deploying 5G hotspots. Dish first major carrier. Dish is the first major carrier to bring Helium 5G to the people what they want. So all kinds of good stuff going on in Helium, everybody. So a little price protection. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Again, this coin was around $14 to $16 when we bought our Bobcat. We bought a couple of them. $14 to $16. Then I watched it go over to $20. Now it's around $25. If they partnered with Dish Network and now more and more Helium is being exchanged, I don't know. This thing could 2x, 3x. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but I definitely like the way this sounds. Coins going up, People's Network, everybody's excited, Dish Network. All right, everybody. This is definitely a good token to be paying attention to keeping an eye on. Every day, Monday through Friday, we bring you a video at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays, it's on the weekends around 3 or 4. Every once in a while, we bring you a bonus video around 6 o'clock. Today is one of these bonus videos. We wanted to bring you a little helium. We do have a Bobcat. We like it. We're excited about it. The disadvantage was it did take about 4 months for it to come in. 3 months, 3.5 months to come in. So if you don't mind waiting, but eventually it did get to us, which is kind of nice. So with that, everybody have a great day today. Frank's Crypto Corner.